Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Anjali Arts. So in today's video we are going to make this pretty box. I have made this box with the help of paper roll. This is a tape roll, the waste roll we get from the tape. Divide this tape roll in two parts. We are going to measure into it half and cut it using your cutter. Cutting this tape roll is a bit hard, so be patient and don't cut it forcefully. Be patient and slow while doing it. One side is done, let's move on to the other one. Now after cutting you will be having two parts. You have to fold each part in a form of heart. Keep folding till you don't get your desired shape. After folding, we have to remove this inner part of the cardboard because this tape roll is bit thick. So I'll be making two boxes from one tape roll. Let's move on to the second step. We need to cut top and bottom of each box. I have drawn the base of both the boxes and I'm going to cut it. After this, we are going to paste both the sides of the heart. I'm using glue gun for this. You can use Fevicol, but you have to keep it for a while. To cover the tape roll, we are going to take any color sheet, measure it and cut it. Keep it aside to paste it later on. Cut two strips for each of the box. Now let's prepare the top of the box. Repeat the process we did for the bottom of the box. First mark the drawing, then cutting out with the help of scissors. Now all the elements are ready. I have already pasted silver sheet inside all the hearts. Now I will paste the roll on the base of prepared heart cardboards. For the outer part, I am going to take this peach colored sheet and cover all my hearts. Similarly, for the outer part of the tape roll, I will use peach color sheet. Cut out everything carefully. Start pasting with the help of Fevicol. I am going to paste white color sheet inside and peach color sheet outside on both the boxes. Cut out the extra paper. Now to attach the top with the box, we are going to use this ribbon. Cut out the ribbon. Use glue gun to paste the ribbon on the box and the top. You have to do similar process for both the boxes. Now a box is ready. This is how it will open. Now we are going to paste the outside sheet and cover whole box with the help of colored sheets. For covering the boxes, you can even use pattern sheet or even a nice patterned cloth. It's your choice. To make it more decorative, I'm going to use this lace. Now decoration is optional, you can do anything according to you, whatever you have. I have this laces, I have some fake flowers, so I'm going to arrange it according to what I like. You can do whatever you prefer to do. I'm using some fake flowers for decoration. I'm using glue gun to paste everything in place. So here our first box is ready. Look at this, this is so pretty. Now let's move on to the second decoration. For this one I'm going to use the same lace. I'm going to cover the whole box with the lace and put some flowers on the top. Decoration completely depends on your choice. Whatever material you have, whatever you want to do it accordingly. Let's paste some flowers. Again I'm using my glue gun and fake flowers with some fake leaves. Here our second box is also ready. Let me know if you like this trick. Have you ever thought of using your paper rolls like this? Try this amazing best out of waste. Share with me on my social media handles. You can check out the links in my description box. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment down below your request and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.